I'm at 323 Granada Drive in Columbia, Tennessee, looking at a Airbnb that's for sale. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, about 1,000 square feet on a quarter-acre lot, just minutes from downtown, historical downtown Columbia. Beautiful area, currently generating about $2,500 to $3,000 a month. Let's go check it out. Very nicely done kitchen. Granite countertops. I actually had these countertops in my old house in Middle Tennessee. Beautiful. My wife loved them. Cabinets are great. This is really nicely done. All Frigidaire appliances. Matching stainless steel. Back out to the here. Coffee area. Front door. Lights on it. First bedroom. Everything's been rehabbed. Totally redone. This is a 1970 original build. I'm not sure how new the remodel is, but from the looks of it, I'd be surprised if it's more than 1.5 years old. Here's your third bedroom. This is really nice. Gonna have little closets because it's 1970s, but yes, pretty good size. This is really well done. Floor feels solid, which I like. It's a 1/2 acre lot. It's a 1/2 acre lot. It's a 1/4 acre lot. Feels bigger. Let's go check it out. And this is in great shape. Fresh paint, brand new windows. New shed. Great backyard, lots of privacy. Couple mature trees over there. It wouldn't take anything to fence this in if you wanted to have a fenced in backyard. I like this. I love the neighborhood. It's very nice driving up. Let's see. I didn't notice that door inside. Yeah, the roof is new. HVAC looks in great shape. Flashing is new. Yeah, this would be nothing to fence in both sides of the house. You want an operating Airbnb in Columbia, Tennessee, minutes from downtown historic Columbia. This is a pretty good option. Totally turnkey. It's a great street. So there you go. That was 323 Granada Drive in Columbia, Tennessee. If you'd like to see this or another property in the surrounding Nashville area, please reach out. I'd love to connect and help make your real estate experience a great one. I'm Scott Davis with Hive Nashville. Thanks for watching.